friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here or if you're coming over from the playlist, I'm Holly. Welcome. I'm very happy to have you here today. Today I'm sharing with you a very fun collaboration. It is being hosted by Katie at Life with the Love Days. If you have not subscribed to Katie's channel, please go and do that. She really has great content on her channel. She does grocery hauls, unboxing, shopping hauls, recipes. She is a mother of 3 and she homeschools her children, which I absolutely love because I used to be a homeschool mom myself a very long time ago. So if you are interested in that type of content, please go and check her channel out. I will leave the links down below for her channel and the playlist. Make sure to go and check the playlist out as well because you will find lots of great ideas for putting things in your kids' Easter baskets. You're going to have different age ranges, things like that. So I believe you will find some good ideas if you have not finished your Easter shopping to go and find some of these great ideas to put in your kids' Easter baskets. And my kiddo is 35, so I'm not doing a basket. I give her a basket every year, but for this video, I am doing my grandson's Easter basket. So this is her son that I'm making this basket for. And I tried not to go overboard with it, but as a grandmother, it's kind of hard to not. It's my first grandchild. It's his first Easter. So I don't feel like I did, but I'm letting the Easter Bunny get some other things for him. So I'm going to show you what I did get for him to put in the Easter basket that my husband and I are going to give him. But the first thing I got is from Amazon, and this is a little VTech spin and go helicopter. He loves things with wheels, so he likes to, you know, pull them back and forth. And I thought this was great because it teaches like the cause and effect of something that, you know, how it makes things happen, but it's teaching him his 1, 2, 3s, ABCs, visual, engaging, and it is fine motor skills. So I feel like this is great for him. I think he will enjoy it, and it's for 9 to 36 months. So this will last him even longer than, you know, his age right now. And actually today he is 7 months old. So today is March 10th. So he just turned 7 months old. By the time he gets this for Easter, he will be 8 months old the day after Easter. So these will all fit into the range of his age. So Amazon for this, and like I said, it teaches a lot of different things, colors, animals, sounds, and just, I think it's a great little toy for him to have. The other item that I got from Amazon was this little turtle. So it's a rolling, popping turtle. It is, when it rolls on the ground like that, it pops the little beads that are in there, and I think he will enjoy this. So it's kind of like a little rattle too. So this one is 6+ months, but I think he'll enjoy that. And this little item is a Bandana Buddy. It's an activity toy, multi-sensory, play for baby. So it teaches, it's got texture, sounds, patterns, and a teether toy. So I felt like this was a good buy because it has a lot of things to it that he'll enjoy. He likes that crinkly sound. He has some books like with that. Also the little rattle. It has, he's teething, so this little teether, which is like a little silicone type teether. It has the little nubs on it. Helps with their gums. Soothe them a little bit. Also, it comes, this is the bandana that the dog has. So this can be pulled off. I'm not going to do that for this, but you can pull this off, and then you can see it's got like a little round thing. So you put it on their wrist, and then they can kind of gnaw on it, and he gnaws on everything. Like I said, teething, you know, but it's 0+ months, so I still think this is good for his age. I think he'll enjoy it because it's the type of things he's enjoying. It also, I don't know if you can hear it, but has like a little bell in there, little ball. Let's see, Amazon. I do get him this little book. It's a touch and feel book. It's Biscuits Pet and Play Easter. So I wanted to get him an Easter book. And this has textures, and like I said, he loves texture, so he's always touching everything. So you can see different little textures. So if you have a child that likes texture books are really nice to have for them while you're reading it to them, and board books especially. And okay, let's see. This was also from Amazon, and I thought this was absolutely adorable. So it's a little onesie. I don't know if you can see the whole thing in that shot, but it's got the little whale on it and little shorts with the little anchors. How cute is that? And of course the little shoes. So I love this, absolutely love this. And I got it a little bit bigger for him. So it's 9 to 12 months. So by the time summer really hits, he can wear that. And this cute little swimsuit, you can see that, but it's got the long sleeves, so that way all this protects like UVA rays and things like that, so it protects their delicate skin. So I thought this one was really adorable. And it also comes with a little hat, which also helps to protect them. So really cute, protect their neck and everything, their head. Couldn't pass that up. Dollar Tree. I did get some books from Dollar Tree, and I was a little disappointed. I like the books, but I was disappointed. It's Baby Einstein, which is a good brand. It's supposed to be where you scan and sing and read. You download an app, and then it would scan and read to it and play music. But the app didn't work on my phone, so I don't know. I might have to try it again to see if it'll work, but I thought that would have been a neat little thing. My daughter could have downloaded to her phone and played for him where it sings. So Old MacDonald. So it's a little, like I said, a little board book. Good quality for Dollar Tree. And these books I got at Dollar General. So it's the Words book and the Animals book, and they're board books, so I love the board books. So it just kind of gives the whatever the picture is with the name, so he can try to associate the words with the picture. I know that might be a little bit as he gets older, but it is baby's first books. So this one has animals, and then I wanted to make sure he had a Easter book that was more about the Bible. So these have little Bible stories in it, and I thought that would be nice for him to have as well. So another little board book, and that was Dollar General. And this one was from Dollar Tree. I wanted him to have a little stuffed animal. He loves to cuddle with things. This I made sure because I didn't want anything that would be where he could chew things off, since everything kind of goes in the mouth right now. These are all sewn on. This is nothing that's like glued on, it's sewn. The only thing is this little bow, but I feel like the bow is pretty sewn on really well. Now, if my daughter wants, she can cut it off if she wants to, but he's never left alone with things like this, so he's not gonna sleep with it or anything. So yeah, he'll be able to play with this without, any dangers of anything being bitten off and swallowed. So I always remember that with babies, with younger kids, certain things, if they're putting things in their mouth, to try to get things that don't have stuff that they can do that. So I got that, and I couldn't pass this up. This was actually at my grocery store, at my local grocery store, Greer's. They had tons of little Dr. Seuss animals, little stuffed animals, things they could put on their backpacks and stuff. This was just a little stuffed animal, and this is Horton, so it was like the perfect size for him. So I couldn't pass that up. Thought it was really, really cute, and there wasn't anything on here that he could, like I said, bite off or anything, so that was perfect. And of course, since he's little, don't have a lot of, he can't have candy or anything like that. So I did get these little, these are baby puree foods. So this is an apple, banana, strawberry, and yogurt, and the apple mango, and I believe he's already eating these, so I think he's had these flavors already. But he started to eat baby food, so this I know he'll like. I know he likes these. And this one is 8+ months. So this is perfect for him because the day after Easter, like I said, he'll be 8 months and he can have these. These are just those little yogurt bites, yogurt melts. So this will be good for him. I know he'll enjoy that. And teethers. Like I said, constantly chewing on everything. This is perfect. So this is, he can have now, it's 7+ months. So this will be good for him with teething. And that's everything that I got for him. I don't feel like I went overboard with it. Like I said, first grandchild, you know, I kind of want to spoil him just a little bit. And I'll have to do that if I have a second grandchild as well. But I feel like these are all good toys for him. And with this, it's like the toys, the books, I always like to make sure books are incorporated in any holiday that I give for kids or anything. I did that with my daughter. She loves to read. So I think it's important to add books to your gifts. And so he has that and some clothes and some snacks. So I feel like I covered everything. This basket, I was trying to find something a lot larger than this because I knew I'd have awkward type boxes and things like this. Like this will have to kind of go back here a little bit. So yeah, it's not as big as I would have liked. I would have liked just a little bit bigger. And I just couldn't find one that I felt was a decent price. This was $10. I'll have to look maybe during the year or something and see if I can find something a little bit bigger. But it has this cute little liner with the little peeps on it, so I thought that was adorable. And I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna try to put a little bow or something up here to dress it up a little bit. I haven't, like I said, gotten to that point yet, but I really think this is a cute little basket to put things in. So check your Dollar General to see if you can find some, if you haven't gotten a basket yet, to see if you can find some things that you can put your kids' things in for Easter if you have not done that yet. And I want to thank Katie for putting this collaboration together. It was really fun to do. I really enjoyed it. And so please don't forget to go and check Katie's channel out, and please check the playlist down below. I know you're going to find lots of great ideas to put in your kids' baskets. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I hope everyone has a great week ahead. God bless y'all.